Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer crypto to wallet from Revolut. So first of all, make sure to the App Store, and from here just make sure to download this application named Revolut. Just search here Revo and it will come in front of you. So this is the application, the first one, Revolut Send, Spend and Save. So once you have downloaded this app, just click on open, and once you open this app you will see an interface like this one, either login or sign up. So just log in with your account like you have already an account, and once you click on login, and once you log in with your account, so you will see a home section, and on the home section you will see a tab called crypto. So just click on that section called crypto, and once you click on crypto you will be able to see all the available currencies that are available in the Revolut that you want to transfer or select. So select your specific cryptocurrency, and once you select the cryptocurrency you will be asked to add the address or the wallet address of the person where you want to send. So just make sure to enter that address, and once you enter the address you will be able to send your crypto to other wallet from Revolut. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it and transfer crypto.